had the opportunity to express my admiration for the remarkable progress that Burundi has managed in relation to the reconciliation, in relation to the democratic governance, and in relation to the economic progress of the country. And I have assured the President of Burundi of the strong support of the United Nations and of our commitment to do everything possible to mobilize a much stronger support of the international community that Burundi needs and Burundi fully deserves. At the same time, I had the occasion to express my admiration for the efforts that the President and the Burundian government are doing in relation to the solution of the problems in the DRC. The presence of Burundian forces in the East African Force in the DRC has shown an enormous efficiency and a very positive contribution to reconciliation and to hopefully to the peace. And Burundi is today a pillar of regional cooperation and a pillar of dialogue for peace and security in the region. On the other hand, we also discussed how the United Nations system can better support the government and the people of Burundi in their remarkable efforts for economic and political progress and for the well-being of the population.